We, Enabled Engineering, understand your need for reliable, energy-efficient, and cost-effective solid-state manufacturing solution. Therefore, we have developed SolidStir technologies, SolidStir extrusion, and SolidStir additive manufacturing. Our technologies can be designed and tailored to meet your application requirements. In this brief video, we present continuous feed-enabled SolidStir additive manufacturing. During the process, feedstock are plasticized, extruded, and continuously and seamlessly bonded layer-wise to create 3D structure without a need for melting. The SolidStir AM process yields fully dense, defect-free deposits with wrought metal microstructure and properties. The process flexibility and inherently lower deposition forces enable ease of scaling up for higher deposition rate and miniaturization for portability and feature resolution. Multi-material feeding and lubricant-free manufacturing option offers unparalleled advantage over existing methods. SolidStir technology transforms cast feedstock into raw components. The in-situ thermal-mechanical processing that results in cast microstructure breakdown, second-phase particle fragmentation, and dynamic recrystallization result in wrought properties. At Enabled Engineering, we're advancing the frontiers of possibilities in solid-state material processing. Our commitment to leveraging scientific principles and technological advances drives us to engineer cutting-edge manufacturing solutions to meet your needs. To learn more about SolidStir technologies, please reach us at info@enabledengineering.com. We'd love to explore how our innovative solutions can meet your needs. Thank you.